Oh shit. I'm so confused, man. I don't know where to go. They call it this guy right here. It looks so.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
It's just a casual day here in Havana. Flag. Actually, you guys have to check the difference between Cuba's flag and Puerto Rico. They look really similar, but I want the comments in the section below. I get to see who is smart enough. They look super similar, but they're quite different. Yeah. Yeah, Cuba has its own unique things that you can't find anywhere in the world. And man, my name is Maro. Ensure give the video a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos to come. Havana, I love Havana more. I wish I could go to other cities, but maybe someday I'll go to Camagüey and I'll go to Santiago de Cuba. But for now, I'll just be doing Havana, okay? A lot of kids playing around, activities, just chilling here. Yeah, skateboards, you know. So life goes on in Cuba, man. People chill. They don't care about tomorrow, man. They care about now. Skates. And that's the Havana tour bus. You know. YouTube channel.
Cuba, wow, man.
That has been tough. Bye.